A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. If you know, say danger down in front of you, and if you walk go down the road there, they might kill you, what you would do? But why you think about it? And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 8 verse 31 to chapter 9 verse 1. Then Jesus start telling follower them say, the man where God pick, I go have to go through enough sufferation. And the elder them, the head priest them, and the law teacher them, I go turn them back upon him. And them I go kill him. But 3 days after that, him I go come back alive. He make them understand everything where him did I tell them. So Peter take him one side and start raise him up. He say something like that. But Jesus turn round and look upon him other follower of them. Then him talk hard to Peter and say, go away from me, Satan. You not think about the thing them where God want. A only what people want, they pan for your mind. Then Jesus called the crowd of people and him follow them and said to them, say, if somebody want to turn one of my follower them have to forget about what they want. Take up them cross and follow me. Somebody will want to save them life, I go lose it. But anybody will lose them life sake of me and cause them turn up strong for the good news. Them I go save their life. Cause what good it would have do somebody if they get everything in the world, but they lose their life? And what somebody can give to get back their life? Cause if nobody shame on me and feel me message in the world we full up of sin and people will turn their mind against God, the man where God pick now go have nothing to do with them when he come in and Father bright light with him holy angel them. Then him say to them, say, me a tell you this, and I true me attack. Some of you will turn up yourself, now go dead before the time come when you see God a rule in a one powerful way. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.